Bumbuckler, go on.
Agent GenaSyde, you're a hard associate to find, you know that.
Yo, me never drop the guard, the whole city alert.
Good, always on top of your game. That's what I respect about you. But straight to the point, we have a new mission, an assassination.
I know some me are the man for the mission, yeah.
That's what I wanna fucking hear. Now, the target is this prominent dancehall artist called RYGIN King. His voice is unique, his image is up, his flow is sweet, his style is literally like no other. He's a threat to us and our spot in the dancehall, and we cannot have that.
Targets alive, me up the clock with the laser light, I'm in afraid heights.
Perfect. Link at the artillery outlet, and he will supply you with the necessary bomber clock guns and artilleries.
Agent GenaSyde, log on. Don't worry, I got your gadgets right here. Alright, so this is not a real gun, but just aim it on the people, press the trigger, and the person when I edit the video, you do this.
Guns for shake the place, like when Shakila down.
Yeah, the first person I call one gun only for gun, but this is a very own pencil, and this is a sheets. Didn't anybody teach you how to use a pencil? When you run out of shot, just stop them from it. An eyeglass is a distance. When gone? But GenaSyde, the map. Oh, don't run off like that, bro. I want me to talk to you, you know. Alright, so where I'm going? Yeah. I see you're getting the hang of this. So are you that no agent? You're ready to go? They move so fast.
Hello, Agent. How's everything going?
On a mission, I make the money, we no lose track.
Excellent. I ensure the gadgets are working right and... Wait, hold up.
For the money,
Your money is legit, Agent.
Anyone I wanna pay for that I show them.
Okay, I'm making the transactions right now. What currency would you like?
US, pound, US.
The wiring is complete.
know someone up here, brother. Yeah. Happy clap, man up, chip up. Focus it a go hard, flap, keep up with the badness. You cause sing song artist. Red bus, I'm here.